Alright, what's up guys? Last video, I found out that center support was bad, or it was worn more than I would have liked, so I'm gonna replace that thing. I did find two of them actually today on eBay. One was $60 and it was within pickup distance, so I wanted to go pick up that thing, but the guy didn't want to lower the price at all for me to come pick it up. He said the shipping was free, so he wasn't gonna lower the price. That doesn't really make sense, but whatever, that's his deal, I guess. So, could have got one today, but kind of played chicken with the guy and not gonna go get it. He's not gonna lower the price. On a brighter note, I found one that was $42 and it was $42 our best offer. So I offered them $35 and they accepted it. So it should be here in like 2 to 3 days, and it was a better price and I didn't have to drive 2 hours to go pick it up. Today we're gonna do something different. So I'm over at a friend's house right now and we're working on his, what year is this? A 65 C10. It's a project. But we're working on this thing now. We just got, what, new distributor, new plug wires, new plugs.
New starter, new fuel pump.
So all kinds of goodies, all kinds of sawdust. Lost a little bit of fuel, so sprinkled some sawdust. So we're gonna play with this little guy today and see if we can get it to run and try to get this distributor dialed in. And we got a dead battery. So we're kind of fighting this battery as it's dying here, but we got the charger on the ground. So what we just did now is hook up a little gas can over here. We were just doing the addict over here and injecting this thing, trying to get it to run, but now we're actually going to use the pump and suck it out of the can so we get a better fuel flow.
Gas at all.
But believe it or not, guys, we did actually drive this thing this year. It was this summer, right?
Yeah.
This summer we did actually drive this thing around the block a few times. Him and I took it out for a drive and we actually ran out of gas. So that was kind of funny. We had to have somebody bring us gas. But you and your wife got it up to
about 45.
45 miles an hour in this guy right here. It's pretty intense.
It was very
fuel injected. Alright, so we did end up getting the distributor set pretty close to where we think it needs to be. He was having issues with the carburetor. We think it's dumping a little bit too much fuel in. If we'd let it sit for a while and then try to fire it, it'd fire up a little bit. But the fuel pump didn't look like it was actually pumping any fuel through the filter. Battery was kind of dying, so we're gonna go back over some other time. He's a pretty busy guy. He doesn't really work on it a whole lot, but he works on it when he can. So if you guys want to see more of that truck, leave a comment. Let me know. He'll probably see it. Let him know that you want to see more of the C10. Alright guys, so a little bit of glory here. I didn't know if this was actually gonna work or not, but it did. So this jack is for my little Harbor Freight press that I have. So I wasn't using this to put the bushings in, to press the bushings in, because this piece was missing. The kids were playing around in the garage and this thing went missing about a year ago. This press wasn't working, so today I decided to try to fix it and use a chunk of an Allen wrench, cut the Allen wrench off, stuffed it inside there, found this bolt. This is from a 350 small block. It's a 3/8 bolt, and put the piece of the Allen wrench inside there to push on the check ball, and then threaded this thing in. And watch this. So I'll turn that out, push this thing down, doesn't work, tighten it up, and now this thing actually works. Pretty nice. It was completely empty, and then I just used the old transmission fluid from the 4L80 here and filled that thing up and it works. Alright guys, that's about it for this one. I'm actually gonna head in and go work on a little project with the kids. If you guys don't know, I do have another YouTube channel that's just for stuff like that, me working on projects with the kids. It's kind of a channel geared more towards dads and projects that dads can do with the kids. So if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, any fathers out there, go check out that channel. I'll put a link in the description. It's called DaddyBravo. Just hanging out, doing cool projects. We got about 22 videos on that channel now. I'm gonna actually try to start doing weekly uploads on that channel also. Put in a little channel trailer here. What's moving? In the bowl. There you go. Yeah. Box the balloon. What'd you think of that? It's just something a little bit different for you guys. Subscribe if you like it. Have a good one.